Good day, children. Sai Ram. In the previous chapter 27, we have learnt if you want the answer in yes or no, then how will you frame the question and answer? Okay, this we have learnt in chapter 27. Today, we are going to start with the new chapter, that is chapter number 28. In this chapter, we learn about the meaning and the use of the question word what. Okay? When we don't know what action is done by a person, we ask using the question word what. Okay? Now see this example. In this picture, the boy is eating something. Okay? This boy is eating something. So, I will ask the question using the word what. That is, what is he eating? So, what is the word which I used? That is, what is he eating? Okay? So, now how are you going to answer for this question? What is he eating? So how are you going to answer? He is eating an apple. He is eating an apple. So the question is beginning with what? What is he eating? What is he eating? We don't know what is he eating, so we are asking that what is he eating? So the answer will be he is eating an apple. Some more examples I'll show you. Now see this girl. This girl is plucking something. We don't know. So how are you going to frame question for this? What is she plucking? What is she plucking? Okay. So what will the answer? She is plucking the flowers. She is plucking the flowers. What is she plucking? She is plucking the flowers. Okay. So here also the question is begun with what. We don't know what she is doing. So we are asking what is she plucking. Okay. So the next example. Now you can see a lady here, woman here. She is holding something in her hand. Something is there in her hand. And what she is doing. Okay. So how are we going to ask the question? Yes. What is she drinking? We know that she is drinking something. She is having cup in her hand and she is drinking something. So we don't know what she is drinking. So we'll ask, what is she drinking? What is she drinking? So what is the answer? She is drinking tea. She is drinking tea. Okay? Next example. Now you can see a boy is holding something in his hand. Okay? So how are you going to ask the question? What is he holding? What is he holding? What is he holding? So the answer will be he is holding the balloons. He is holding the balloons. Question is, what is he holding? Answer, he is holding the balloon. So you have to observe the picture properly and you have to answer. Okay. What is he holding? He is holding the balloons. Okay. We'll move to the next question. Next example. Okay. Now here we can see two boys are playing. So are you going to ask? They are playing, no, but they are playing something that we don't know. So are you going to ask what is he playing? No. We'll ask what are they playing? Why we are going to ask what are they playing? Because there are two boys. Okay, for more than one, that is 2, 3, we use they. So, what will begin the question? What are they playing? What are they playing? So, how are you going to answer? They are playing football. They are playing football. What are they playing? They are playing football. The question is, what are they playing? Answer, they are playing football. Okay? So, we have seen how to begin the question with what. Okay? Now, next example. Now here, see the question. Is he knocking the door? Now here the question is begun with is, not what. Okay? Is he knocking the door? So the question is beginning with is. So how will you answer for this question? How will you answer for this question? Is he knocking the door? So in previous chapter we had learned how to answer if the question begins with is. We'll answer with yes or no. Right? So observe the picture. Is he knocking the door? Yes. If it is true or you are agreeing, then what will you use? Yes. Now is it true that or are you agreeing that he is knocking the door? Look at the picture properly. Yes, he is knocking the door. No? So how are you going to answer? Yes, he is knocking the door. So you agree that he is knocking the door. Right? So if it is true, then you use yes. Yes, he is knocking the door. Question is he knocking the door? Here we are using yes or no answer. Okay. So the question is beginning with is. If the question is beginning with is, first you have to answer in yes or no. If you are agreeing, then you use yes. If you are not agreeing or the answer is not true, it is false, then we say no. We'll begin the answer with no. Okay. Now here we agree that he is knocking the door. So you'll use yes, he is knocking the door. Okay. Now see the next example. Now see this woman. Okay. Now see the question what is asked here. Is she dancing? Is she dancing? Do you agree or is it true that she is dancing? No. That means you don't agree or the answer is not true. So, how are you going to answer? As I told you before also, if you don't agree or the answer is not true, it is false, then we use no. Okay? So, is she dancing? Look at the picture. No. So, how are you going to answer? No, she is not dancing. No, she is not dancing. You are not agreeing that she is dancing. Okay? It is not true. It is false. So, you will write the answer. No, she is not dancing. Okay? Now, then what she is doing? She is not dancing. Then what she is doing? She is cooking. She is cooking. Okay? So, here the answer will come in two sentences. Okay? Is she dancing? So, you are not agreeing that she is dancing or the answer is false. It is false. So, you will use no. No, she is not dancing. You are not agreeing that she is dancing. So, you will say no, she is not dancing. Then what she is doing? She is cooking. Okay? She is. Then you have to give the correct answer. That is she is cooking. Okay? Some more examples we will see using is. Now, see this girl. Is she combing her hair? Is she combing her hair? Do you agree that she is combing her hair? No. Then how are you going to answer? No, she is not combing her hair. No, she is not combing her hair. Okay, you don't agree that she is combing her hair. Okay, so answer will be no, she is not combing her hair. Then what she is doing? Yes, what is she doing? Yes, she is washing her face. She is washing her face. So here you don't agree that she is combing her hair. So the answer will be no, she is not combing her hair. Then what she is doing? She is washing her face. Okay. Next example. Okay, now see here. See this girl. Is she driving a car? Is she driving a car? Is it true? Are you agreeing with this? No, you can't see her that she is driving a car. So, how are you going to answer? No, she is not driving a car. No, she is not driving a car. Then what is she doing? Then what is she doing? Yes, she is riding a bicycle. She is riding a bicycle. Is she driving a car? You don't agree that she is driving a car. So we'll answer no, she is not driving a car. Then what is she doing? She is riding a bicycle. Okay. Next example. Okay, you can see this boy. Now let us see what is the question. Is he climbing a tree? Can you see this boy is climbing a tree? Is he climbing a tree? Do you agree? Looking at a picture that he is climbing a tree? No. So answer will be no, he is not climbing a tree. No, he is not climbing a tree. Then what is he doing? If he is not climbing a tree, then what is he doing? Yes, he is climbing a ladder. He is climbing a ladder. Is he climbing a tree? Do you agree that? No. No, he is not climbing a tree. He is climbing a ladder. Understood? Next one. Now look at this picture. Let us see. Is he playing? Is he playing? Can you see this boy playing? Do you agree to it? That is he playing? No. So answer will be no, he is not playing. No, he is not playing. Then what is he doing? Then what is he doing? Yes, he is reading a book. He is reading a book. Is he playing? Do you agree that he is playing? No. No, he is not playing. He is reading a book. Understood? Okay, children. So now you know when to use what and how to answer the question looking at the picture. Okay. So we have finished. I finished teaching this chapter. Now you are going to take your Active English workbook. Active English workbook. Okay. Now we are going to write the answers. Okay. In the Active English workbook. Take out Active English workbook. Take your pencil, eraser and open page number 41. Open page number 41. At the top, you write today's date. At the top, you write today's date. Okay? Be quick, children. You are going to write today's date at the top. Finished writing? So let us start. Okay. So the first question. What first one is done for you? What is she reading? Okay. So here the words are given. A book. Can you see on the right left hand side? A book. So what is she reading? What is the answer? She is reading a book. She is reading a book. Then see the second one. What is he pushing? What is he pushing? So what is the answer? See the word given on the left hand side, a car. So you have to finish this answer. Complete this answer. He is pushing a car. Right answer. He is pushing a car. Number 3. What is the question? What is she pulling? What is she pulling? What is she pulling? Okay. So on the left hand side it is given. What is given? A dog. So what is she pulling? Yes. She is pulling a dog. She is pulling a dog. What is she pulling? She is pulling a dog. Okay. Go to the next one. Number 4. See this boy, what is he doing? So we have to first complete the question and then the answer. Okay. What dash kicking? So word is given, a ball. So first complete the question. What is he kicking? What is he kicking? So what will be the answer? He is kicking a ball. He is kicking a ball. Children, write the correct spellings. Okay? Finished? Now the next question. Dash are dash reading. First here also you have to complete the question plus and then the answer. Okay. So the words are given, a newspaper. So how will begin the question? What are they reading? What are they reading? So the answer will be, they are reading a newspaper. They are reading a newspaper. Question is, what are they reading? They are reading a newspaper. Okay, write fast. Next, number 6. Now see here. Here also you have to finish the question plus then first question first and the answer. Okay. So the word clothes is given. Okay. So what will be the question? What are they washing? What are they washing? The answer will be, they are washing clothes. They are washing clothes. What are they washing? They are washing clothes. Okay? Next one, number 2. The first one is done for you. Okay? Now this is the next page. So first one is done, already done. Now second one. Dash making a cake. Okay? Dash making a cake. So what is the question? Is she making a cake? Is she making a cake? Do you agree? No. So no, she is not making a cake. No, she is not making a cake. Then what she is doing? She is smelling a flower. She is smelling a flower. Is she making a cake? No, she is not making a cake. She is smelling a flower. Okay. Now, see number 3. Finish the question first, then the answer. If you agree, you say yes. If you don't agree, no. Dash dash brushing the floor. So, question will be, is she brushing the floor? Is she brushing the floor? Answer, no, she is not brushing the floor. We don't agree that she is brushing the floor. So, what she is doing? She is making a cake. Is she brushing the floor? No, she is not brushing the floor. She is making a cake. Okay? Next one. Number 4. Dash dash listening to the radio. Dash dash listening to the radio. So what are you going to write in the question? Is he listening to the radio? Is he listening to the radio? Answer, do you agree that he is listening to the radio? No. So what will I write the answer? No, he is not listening to the radio. No, he is not listening to the radio. Then what he is doing? He is blowing up a balloon. He is blowing up a balloon. Is he listening to the radio? No, he is not listening to the radio. He is blowing up a balloon. So the next one, number 5. Dash dash touching her right ear. Finish the question first. Is she touching her right ear? Is she touching her right ear? Do you agree? No. No, she is not touching her right ear. Then what she is doing? She is touching her left ear. Is she touching her right ear? No, she is not touching her right ear. She is touching her left ear. Okay? So children, we have finished with the workbook activity. You all are going to write in a good handwriting without any spelling mistakes. Okay? Now, I am going to give you the homework. Okay? This homework you are going to write in your home notebook. Okay? So, what is the homework? Look at the picture and answer the question. So, you write active subject, you'll write which chapter homework is given, the chapter number 28. Then you'll write the head question, look at the picture and answer the question. Okay? Now, you have to write question plus answer. Question plus answer. So, the first one, what is he driving? So, look at the picture and answer. What is he driving? So, here only one sentence only answer will come. Okay? One line only answer will come. Next one, is she laughing? Here, if you agree, you say yes. Or if you don't agree, you say no. So, answer will come yes or no and then finish the sentence. Okay? Is she laughing? Next one. Number 3. What is he climbing? Number 4. Is he hiding under the chair? So, observe the picture properly and write the answer. So, you have to write question plus answer in a good handwriting. Okay? So, children, we have ended with our today's period and we'll meet in the next period with a new chapter. Till then, have a nice day. Bye.